this is how you can check for the specs of your PC. Alright, so when you say specs, what the PC is made up of. So what you have to do first is to use the shortcut key of Windows and E to open the File Explorer, or you can just come to the taskbar and then click the taskbar, the File Explorer icon. So I'm going to use Windows E to open it, so you can use that. That's a shortcut you should keep in mind. And now we navigate this PC icon, okay, then we right click on it. So that's a folder. We click on what properties, and then it will open settings for us, and then we are going to see our PC specs. So my PC's name is Aztec Templates. Okay, so my processor is Intel R Core TM i7 5500U CPU, which is at 2.4 gigahertz. That's the base speed, okay, and then installed RAM is 8 GB. That's the device ID or the product key when I installed my operating system, okay, my Windows operating system. This is also the product ID, and then my system type is 64-bit operating system, x64 base processor. So there's no pen or touch input available for this display. So you can do same to yours. We have my Windows version here, Windows version 22H2. Yeah, you can do same to yours. Check yours out, so that when he asks you which machine are you using, you'll be like, you don't know, you are using Windows 10. Please, we don't have a laptop called Windows 10. We have i7, i3, Core 2, and then dual core. Okay, you can try all this out and it's going to work out for you. I go by the name Official RB. This is Stack Army. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, tell me in the comment section if this video was helpful to you. Bye bye. Boom.